In a passionate call for action, Stephen Sarkozy Chuma, a prominent aide to Zimbabwean opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, has demanded the resignation of President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sambi na mashoko awa ataugwan na Stephen Sarkozy Chuma achiti Idi Mnangagwa must resign with immediate effect. Not even subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina Mnamonyo Gomchinzi, Chuma, known for his outspoken criticism of the government, emphasized the need for accountability and justice in a nation plagued by allegations of corruption and economic hardships. Speaking on behalf of the citizens disillusioned by the current administration, Chuma declared in a statement on Thursday, in a normal country, Chivaya would have been in Chikurubi by now. In fact, citizens would have flooded the streets of Harare demanding Idi Mnangagwa's resignation. Chuma's words reflect widespread discontent within Zimbabwe, where many feel that promises of reform have fallen short amid persistent economic challenges and allegations of government corruption. The reference to Chivayo likely alludes to Wikno Chivayo, a controversial businessman accused of involvement in corrupt dealings, whose continued freedom has sparked public outrage. Domashika tukona tekona Stephen Sarkozy Chuma chiti aiwa na we leaked audio ya Wikno Chivayo aiwa angadei ata muchikurubi aiwa by now but ndoda kuti Zimbabwe iri corrupt asati apinda muchikurubi achiti aiwa my involvement Idi Mnangagwa angadei resigna. Saka muri Zimbabwe chipotudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi apinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.